How to remove a property in Google Analytics. So to start, we'll have to open our Google browser, and then in here we'll have to tap on this Google Apps menu icon. After that, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this Google Analytics option. After that, it will automatically open our account. If it did not open your account, all you need to do is to log in. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen, and then at the bottom part, tap on this admin option. After that, we'll have to go here on this property settings, tap on this property option, and then tap on this property details. After that, it will show us the details of our property. So to remove or to delete this one, all we need to do is to tap on this move to bin option, and then in here to completely remove the property, tap again on this move to bin option. So that's how easy you can remove or delete a property in Google Analytics. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!